In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Acode on your phone. I want to ask, why do I want to download Acode on your phone? Let's say you don't have a laptop and you want to learn website creation, you want to develop a website, but you don't have a laptop. So how are you going to go about it? Well, I'm going to show you how you can download Acode into your phone and start coding on your phone. Yeah, you can code right there on your phone. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can create a complete website right on your phone. It may not be that easy, but hey, it's a step instead of just sitting down and twiddling your hands wondering when am I going to get the money to buy a laptop. So let's go ahead and download Acode. Come to Play Store, click on it. Now click on the search bar, then type in A, then code. Yeah, that's the normal spelling of code. Type a code right there. Okay, so that's it, appearing on top. This is it, guys, Acode. So click on install. So once you click on install, right now it says pending, so you have to give it a few minutes. Okay, it's downloading, and wow, that was fast, seriously fast. And it's done, it's installing now. So let's see, can we get any information about the application? Let's come to about this app, click on it. So what's new? It says supports plugin, update customized theme settings, set custom ports for preview in app settings. So this has the latest updates. So you can see about this app, it says create, modify and preview code from your devices. Yep, you can also work with GitHub right on your phone too. Acode is a lightweight yet powerful code editor and web IDE for Android. You can use this editor for editing HTML, JavaScript, text. You can create a website, run the website in the browser, and see errors or logs in the consoles. Also edit any kind of source files like Python, CSS, HTML, Java, JavaScript, that, and etc. So let's get right into it. Come back and let's open it up. Boom. So this is, you have to grant some few permissions. Allow Acode to access your photo, media and files on your device. So click allow. And this is it, guys, we have downloaded Acode on our phone and we can start coding. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can start using this mobile editor. Follow me for more videos like this.